Did you know that within 3 days of death, the enzymes that once digested your dinner begin to eat you? Yes, it's a bit unsettling, but it's also an interesting part of the natural decomposition process. Our own bodies initiate this journey, marking the start of an intricate and fascinating transformation. From the onset of Algor Mortis to the final stage of skeletonization, the human body undergoes a series of remarkable changes after death. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's dive into the fascinating journey of what happens to our bodies after we die. Imagine, if you will, the moment life ceases. The heart stops pumping and the body begins to cool, a phenomenon known as Algor Mortis. This gradual cooling process starts as soon as the heart ceases to pump warm blood throughout the body. It's a process that can help forensic experts estimate the time of death, a vital piece of information in criminal investigations. Next comes rigor mortis, a Latin term meaning stiffness of death. This is when the body's muscles stiffen, a result of chemical changes in muscle proteins after death. Interestingly, this stiffness isn't permanent. It begins to set in a few hours post-death, peaks around 12 to 24 hours, and then gradually fades over the following days. Now let's talk about a rather colorful, albeit morbid, aspect of postmortem changes: livor mortis. Also known as lividity, it refers to the purplish-red discoloration that appears on the skin. This occurs when blood, no longer propelled by the heart, settles in the body's lowest parts due to gravity. It can start to show as early as 30 minutes after death, giving the skin a mottled, marbled appearance. Each of these stages offers a unique insight into the time of death. Algor Mortis provides a cooling timeline. Rigor Mortis reveals muscle stiffness and relaxation patterns, and livor mortis shows blood pooling patterns. Together, they provide a detailed post-mortem timeline. These transformations, while they may seem unsettling, are a natural part of the cycle of life and death. They are the body's final act, the curtain call, if you will, before it exits the stage of life. But remember, as these initial changes unfold, a more profound transformation is just beginning. As hours turn into days, the silent orchestra of decomposition begins its symphony. Autolysis, the first movement in this symphony, takes center stage. This process is a kind of self-digestion, where the body's cells start to break down from the inside out, courtesy of enzymes that the body naturally produces. These enzymes, which once served to sustain life, now act as agents of decay, gradually reducing the body's tissues into a soupy mixture. Then, as the curtain lifts on the second act, putrefaction takes the spotlight. This is where bacteria, those unseen and unsung heroes of decomposition, step in to play their part. Within the gut, bacteria that once aided digestion now begin to consume the body itself. As they multiply, they spread out, consuming and breaking down tissues. As these bacteria go about their work, they produce a variety of gases, including methane, hydrogen sulfide, and cadaverine. These gases build up within the body, causing it to bloat. This bloating can be quite dramatic, often distorting the appearance of the body significantly. Along with this, these gases also give off that distinctive, unpleasant odor that we associate with decay. But it's not just about the visual and olfactory changes. These gases and the resulting bloating serve a crucial purpose. They create an environment that's conducive for other decomposers, particularly insects, to join in. The bloated body becomes a beacon, attracting blowflies, beetles, and other creatures that contribute to the further breakdown of the body. While the process of decomposition, especially autolysis and putrefaction, can be unsettling to contemplate, it's essential to remember that this is a natural biological process. It's part of the cycle of life and death, a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of our ecosystem. Every organism, even in death, plays a role in sustaining life on our planet. While this stage may seem grim, it's a crucial part of the natural cycle of life and death. Days turn into weeks, and the body undergoes further transformation. As decomposition progresses, we see the formation of Adipocere, a waxy substance sometimes referred to as grave wax. This peculiar transformation occurs under certain conditions, such as high humidity or when the body is submerged in water. During this process, the body's fats undergo hydrolysis and hydrogenation, resulting in a waxy, soap-like material that can preserve parts of the body for extended periods. Simultaneously, a flurry of activity transpires on and within the body. Insects, predominantly flies and beetles, are attracted to the decomposing tissues. These tiny, uninvited guests play a significant role in the decomposition process. Their larvae, commonly known as maggots, feed on the body's soft tissues, accelerating the breakdown process. Beetles and other insects then arrive to consume the tougher tissues and any remaining larvae. As these activities persist, the body progresses towards the final stage of decomposition, skeletonization. During this phase, the soft tissues continue to break down, both through the actions of microbes and insects, until eventually, only the bones remain. It's worth noting that environmental factors can greatly influence the rate of decay. For instance, factors such as temperature, humidity, and the presence of scavengers can either speed up or slow down the process. Extremely hot or cold temperatures can inhibit decomposition, while moderate temperatures and high humidity can expedite it. This intricate dance between the body and the environment, between life and death, is a testament to the cyclical nature of existence. It's a process that, while may seem macabre to some, is a natural and necessary part of the circle of life, facilitating the return of the body's components back to the earth. In the end, all that's left are bones, a stark reminder of the mortality we all share. The journey from life to death to decomposition is a profound reminder of our place in the natural world. It's a humbling reflection on our existence, an intricate dance of nature that underscores the cyclical nature of life itself. From the initial stages of Algor Mortis to the final steps of skeletonization, each phase is a testament to the enduring laws of biology. Next time you think about life and death, remember, we are all part of an incredible natural process. It's not something to fear, but to understand and respect.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.